What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a geek. So here is a good news that Samsung is launching the first EUFS 2.1 1 terabyte storage. What is EUF stand for? E stands for Embedded Universal Flash Storage. This is a great news. Why? Finally we can get the 1 terabyte at a cheaper level. Yes, there's already 1 terabyte phone on the market, but that is not like EUF. When the EUF is on the market, finally we are going to get 1 terabyte phone. I think so. 1 terabyte phone we really don't need. We don't need anything more than 256 GB. Even there are micro SD card which help to support. To be honest with you, I do not think so we need. But other than that, my answer will be simple. It can be used for tablets, laptop, where you need to install the application. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy Agi. Make sure to subscribe and bye.